Hello, this is Twizz, and we all know Valentine's Day is coming up. So, take a balloon, do like this. It's a less chance that it will pop and break. So, let's pump it up. Air the balloon heart a little bit and close it up. So, now I have this one. And what I'm going to do now is you can do the easy balloon. Just put these ones together, and I'm going to show you in the next step how you make this a more heart formed. So what I want to do with this one is I take this side. So I want someone who can hold this one. So what you can do then is to make it like this. I 4 times I think I always do it. There, and same on the other side. Let's do it there, and bam! I think like this is a sword too, but it's not sword we are making. No, we are making a heart to Valentine's Day. So now you can hold it. So let's take, and you know, I had a little bit left there, so I can put it here so it stays in place. And bam! It doesn't look like a heart at all. So, do it like this, and then you start to work with the corners here. So, and do we get a heart? We get a heart! So, this you can give to your friend, or your boyfriend, girlfriend, or your parent just. I love you! Yeah! Easy, cool Valentine's gift. Yeah! What do you think about the balloon heart? Is it cool? Yeah! Thanks for watching! Bye!